2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.